If you have a pillar that you want to change or get rewrapped, maybe because it's got a cigarette burn or it's stained, dirty, scuffed, whatever it might be, one of the solutions that we do suggest to a customer is that you could actually rewrap that one pillar using an old piece of roof lining material. So this will give you that nice tight finish. So you'll be able to apply, say, around areas like the airbag plugs or the front speaker vents on A pillars, especially on the Holden VE, the VF models. So you get that non-foam backed finish because roof lining material that we sell has got the foam backing already stuck to the material, which can be done, but it just takes a lot of time to remove like a foam backing that's brand new, because sometimes you've got to pick at it and it's just very time consuming. You're slowly peeling it off, where this approach you're getting basically the same result. You're just resalvaging and reusing roof lining material to get that nice tight finish on a pillar. So it's great for a full blackout. So if a customer comes in with a light grey beige job and they want a full blackout in the factory look, we would use brand new material for their roof lining replacement. So we have our number 5 anthracite charcoal black with the foam backing. We'll use brand new foam backing and the material on the roof lining. But when it comes to the pillars, we suggest the method of like just reusing this material, because it'll give you that non-foam back type of tight factory finish look that sometimes most people are chasing it. And also you have to sometimes use it depending on the type of pillar. So like I said before, like the Holden VE, VF front A pillars sometimes have those speaker vents where you kind of want that non-foam back look to actually feed into that section and make it look nice and flush, even around those airbag plugs as well. So here's what we would suggest. You lay your pillar out on the job, work out the placement where it's going to be, what material it's going to be taking up. And if you're doing multiple pillars, one suggestion that I do have is that sometimes if you were to say rotate this type of roof lining material or any material, it can give off a different shade. So if you're applying, say, the fabric to a pillar going in one direction, then you change that direction on another pillar, when those pillars are installed in the car, it may give off a slightly different shade to one another. This is not always the case, but it's just worth considering, because sometimes the material has lines through it that you want to just keep the lines running in the same direction basically. This flat knit or circular knit, it has like that diamond type of pattern to it, little holes. So it's not as bad, but sometimes material does have obvious lines that are running through it and you want to keep them all going in the same direction. So we're going to have this material available for you guys on our eBay page, just to order the quantity that will suit your task that you're working on. It's just going to come as is, straight off the job, so you will have to remove the foam backing yourselves, but it's a very relatively easy task to do. So we're going to do it this way just to keep the labor content quite low, so we're not using up our time and opportunity cost to basically clean these materials up, because really it's just a piece of old material that's coming off the job, and you don't want to invest too much time into it. So it's more or less that we'll just send it as it is. This is the outcome you're kind of chasing to clean it up with. Very easy to clean once you get it. So we have this available on our eBay page, so you can order to say the quantity that you want. But once you do get it, you lay it out on a clean bench. We like to use, say, a piece of flat wooden bench. That way we can, say, staple it nice and stretch so it's easier to clean. But you don't have to do this method. You can just basically hold the material or stretch it out and then kind of brace it while you're cleaning it off. Easy to clean. You can use like a little straw brush or a little handheld brush. Just clean it off. You can use an air gun, blow it all down. But it's going to come off quite easy because this old foam is basically crumbly, ready to fall off. It does make a mess though, so it can stick to your shoes and all that type of stuff. So definitely do a clean up afterwards. But that's pretty much it. So we'll have this available on our eBay page. There'll be links in the description on this video. And there'll be some more information in the description of that eBay page as well if you're interested in going down this path.